Today, X announced huge changes to the way revenue sharing works and provided unprecedented transparency into how payouts are calculated. Let's dive into the changes. The biggest change is that ads and replies will no longer impact your payout. Instead, you'll be paid based on engagement with your content from premium users. For the last year, payouts have been determined based on verified ad impressions, something incredibly difficult to measure. Now, payouts are based on engagement from verified users. And this is made possible by sharing 25% of the revenue from premium subscriptions with creators. But what does engagement mean? According to X, the algorithm uses interactions such as replies, likes, bookmarks, and even time spent on content to determine earnings. Interestingly, reposts are not mentioned here. X also says that engagement from higher premium tiers will pay more. So, for example, a reply from a Premium Plus user is worth more than a reply from a premium user. The next part is also very interesting. X says they consider characteristics of your audience, including who they follow and who follows them, and that this will impact your payout. My guess is that this has something to do with bots and making sure people aren't gaming the system. Finally, X also says that there is spam prevention in place, so if you post unrelated content in the replies, you will be penalized. So, how does it actually work though? Well, it's probably a little more complex than this, but here's how I picture it in my head. Each month, X sets aside 25% of the revenue generated from premium subscriptions and puts it into a pot. Then each time there's a payout, creators are paid proportional to how much engagement they got and adjusting for the factors that I previously explained. So, the more premium subscribers there are, the more creators will get paid. So, how does this change your strategy? Well, if you're already a monetized creator, I don't think it changes that much. Keep focusing on creating high quality original content and building relationships with other creators. If you are not currently monetized, I would recommend getting monetized as soon as possible because X has also updated the eligibility criteria. It's mostly the same, except for one thing. You now need 500 premium followers to become eligible. So you've got about a month before these changes go into effect on November 8th, and then it's going to get a lot harder to get monetized. So if you need help getting monetized and receiving your first payout, check out this video where I explain step by step how to do exactly that.